Now, what is freelancing? Introduction. Hello everyone, I am Asim Khan and I extend a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going deep into the fascinating world of freelancing. Whatever you are considering a career change or just exploring a new opportunities, this presentation will provide you with a chart or exploring a new opportunities. The presentation will provide you with a comprehensive overview of freelancing, covering topics such as what is freelancing, its various types, the requirements, and all the interactions that make up the freelancer lifestyle. Now let me introducing what is freelancing. Freelancing is a professional journey unlike any other. At its core, it's a work arrangement where individuals known as a freelancers offer their specialized skills and services to clients or companies in a project by project basis. Instead of being tied and a single employer, freelancers are free agents able to take on diverse projects for multiple clients. This flexibility is the essence of freelancing, allowing you to design your own career path. Now, come to the types of freelancing. Creative freelancing. This line encompasses a wide range of creative talents from graphic design and content writing to video productions and photography. Creative freelancers use their artistic abilities to breathe life into various projects. Now, the technical freelancing. If you have any knack of technology, technical freelancing offer opportunities in the web development software, programming, app development, and IT services, information technology. You become the digital and architect or the tech, crafting solutions for clients worldwide. Consulting, consulting freelancers are experts in their respective fields, providing valuable advice and guidance to businesses and individuals. Fields like marketing, finance, management, and even life coaching fall under this category. Now, let me show you virtual assistants. For those with excellent organizational skills, virtual assistance is a niche where you can manage administrative tasks, customer support, data entry, and more, all from the comfort of your home. Now, the online teaching. Share your knowledge and expertise with a global audience by offering online courses, tutorial, or coaching services. This type of freelancing combines educations and entrepreneurships. Now come to e-commerce. The world of e-commerce has opened doors for freelancers to engage in drop shipping, affiliate marketing, and online product sales. It's dynamic and involving field with endless possibilities. Now the requirement of freelancing. Now, to embark in a successful freelancing journey, certain prerequisites are essentials. The most skills. First and foremost, hone your skills, whatever it's coding, writing, designing, or consulting. Your expertise is your currency in the freelance world. Portfolio. Showcase your work A compelling portfolio gives potential clients a glimpse of your capabilities and the quality of your work. Online presence. Establish strong online presence. Create website. Optimize website, your LinkedIn profile, and maintains an active presence on relevant social media platform. Now the time management. Freelancers must excellent time managers efficiently allocating time to different projects and maintaining deadline deadlines is a crucial for success. Now the financial planning. Freelancers often deal with the irregular incomes, effective budgeting, and financial planning are vital to ensure stable financial foundation. Now the client communication. Good communication is key to maintaining positive client relationships, promptly responding to inquiries, and clearly discussing project details can set you apart. Now the freelancing lifestyle. The freelancing lifestyle offers a unique lifestyle that blends freedom and responsibility. Flexibility. You have the freedom to set your work hours and choose your workspace. Whatever you are prepared, cozy home office or a beachside cafe, it's your call. Driver income. With multiple clients, your income streams can vary, but this diversity can be a financial safety net during slow periods. Now come to the skill adjustment. Freelancers are perpetual learners. You must adapt to industry trends and continuously chance your skills to stay competitive. Now come the independence. Say goodbye to office politics and micromanagement. Freelancers have the autonomy to select projects that align with their passions and values. Global opportunities. The digital age has made the world your marketplace. You can work the clients from different countries and embracing diverse cultures and perspectives. Now the challenge and solutions. While freelancing offers incredible opportunities, it comes with its fair shares and challenges. Income stability. Freelancers often experience income fluctuations. The solutions create a financial oceans during high earning periods to cover lean months. Client acquisitions. Building a client based time and efforts, networking, showcasing your work, and building an online presence are critical steps. Now, work life balance. Freelancers sometimes struggle to separate work from personal life, set clear boundaries, establish a dedicated workspace, and prioritize self care. Now, the taxes and finance. Freelancers must negative navigate self-employment tax and financial planning. Consultant tax professional can help you manage this aspect effectively. Now the skill upgradations. Staying on the cutting edge of your industry is a mutual continuous learning and obtaining relevant certifications to keep you competitive and open doors to a new opportunity. Now come to the success stories of freelancer. If you are inspired you, let's look at a few freelancers who turned their laptops and dreams into thriving careers. Their story prove that freelancing is not just a job, it is a lifestyle that can lead to a remarkable success. Now, come to the freelancer toolkit. As a freelancer, you need the right tools to thrive in your chosen field. Consider investing in software, hardware, and resources that can enhance your productivity and output. For instances, graphic designer may need high quality design software, while writers might benefit from grammar and plagiarism checking tools. A reliable computers are comfortable workspace and strong internet connections are the essentials you may to need now. This is a very important to engage content on this the freelancing tool. Now come to the building your portfolio. Your portfolio is your digital showcase displaying your skills and previous work to a potential clients. Create a visually appealing and organized portfolio that highlights your best projects, include case studies, testimonials, and before and after example when possible. A well-structured portfolio can be a powerful tool for convincing clients of your expertise. Now, the setting freelancers rates. Now, come to this. I will show you this types and determine how much to charge. As a freelancer can be a challenge. Or consider factors such as your skill level, industry standards, and the complexity of the project. Hourly rates, fixed project fees, and the retainer arrangements are common pricing strategies. As structures, it is essential to strike balance between setting apprehensive or competitive rates and ensuring you are competition friendly to your suppliers. Now, freelancing contracts. Contracts are your safety net in the freelancing world. They outline projects details, expectations, timeless payment terms, and other essential aspects of your working relationships with your client. A well-drafted contract protects both you and your clients, are providing clear guidelines and preventing misunderstanding. Now come to the freelancer network. Building a network of contacts and clients is a critical for a long-term success. Attend industry events, webinars, and conferences both online and offline to expand your professional circle. Networking platforms like LinkedIn can help you concentrate on future opportunities and possible balancing multiple clients. Now come to this topic. Many freelancers juggle multiple clients and they all effective times management is key to maintaining a balance between various projects. Consider using projects management tools, calendars, and to-do lists to stay organized and at live, and do not to be afraid to a competitive with clients' timeless need adjustments. Freelancing branding. Now create a storing personal brand can set you apart in competitive freelancing market. You are a brand and compass your unique style, values, and the story you tell about yourself and your work. A compelling brand can attack to clients to promote your vision and approach, leading to more fulfilling, handling, continuously learning. Let me show you the freelancer community, and I will this shown the freelancing branding, balancing multiple clients, networking, contracts, and setting freelancing rates, building your portfolio toolkit, contact information, and therefore more. I will show you these images. Now the freelancer earning proof in this. I will show you this is earn available in $16 in Sonobal and come to YouTube, and now Upwork. This is a supportable, and this will is a very earning proof on this profile is 10k USD dollar. Let me show you this is, and this is one is a very Ehsan J Ahmed in India is net income is, let me show you this is the one is the biggest earning, and withdraw it, let me show you, or used for purchases that this is, and total earning is 5k plus, and total jobs 48, total hours 548. Now this is the earning proof of this and many more on this kind of the Google is always using this kind. Now freelancing tools and whatever in this I will show in the next video. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of freelancing. As you learn, freelancing offers exciting and the flexible way to build a rewarding career on your terms. Whatever you are aspiring freelancer or seasonal pro, remember that continuous learning, networking, and determinations are the keys to success. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found helpful. Stay tuned for more engaging content on my channel. Thank you so much for everyone.